Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from one half of Sister, and today is the big day. We go and pick up Tamara from General RV in Ashland, which is close to like Richmond, Virginia. So we have about a 2-hour drive. I have Jada over here in the passenger seat and we need to go pick up some gas. I need some coffee. It is 9:14 and pickup time is 12 p.m. So we have a nice little buffer so I don't feel like I'm being rushed like I was last time. We have enough air in the tires and everything, so we don't have to worry about that. You hear Jada baby. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get some gas and get some, I don't know if I'm gonna do iced coffee or a latte this morning, but we'll see. We're off to Wawa. This video is also being sponsored by Temu, but more on that a little later on in this video. So me and Jada baby made our way to General RV to pick up Tamara, and unfortunately things did not go as planned with her repairs, and per legal representation, I am no longer able to discuss this matter. Once things clear up, if I'm able to discuss it later on, I will. But Jada baby and I made our way to our spot for the night, and I didn't film anything until the next morning. Hey my friends, it is the morning after picking up Tamara, and I have my little puffy eyes from all the crying I did yesterday, but I'm feeling better today. You know, nothing really has changed as far as like, obviously it's nothing that I can do on my end, but you know, I'm just like, it's above me now. So there's a lot of rain projected on the East Coast starting tomorrow, and I've kind of overstayed my welcome in my sister's subdivision, so I found a campground and I've booked it for a week, and literally I have nothing in Tamara, so I have an 1.5-hour drive to my sister's. I'm gonna load up as much as I can. I do not drive at night, so I'm gonna load up as much as I can and then go ahead and make my way to my new campsite. Now the campground is about, I think, 30 minutes from Courtney's, so I don't have to load up everything. I'll be able to, you know, unhitch and make those few trips back to grab the rest of my stuff from her house. But I'm gonna stay in Virginia for another week and then slowly make my way back to Jacksonville. You know, I'm not gonna work on the solar project. I'm not really gonna do anything with Tamara. I'm just gonna go ahead and just make my way back to my home and just kind of wait it out and see what is gonna come of this whole situation as far as, you know, dealing with the trailer. So Jada baby and I were out here on a walk, and then we're gonna get ready to go. Checkout isn't until 1, but we're gonna make a move super early today, so we're not driving into the night. Now let's take a pause to introduce you all to the sponsor of today's video, which is Temu. Temu is an online platform that offers a huge selection of quality items at affordable prices. With amazing coupons and site-wide sales and tons of hidden gems, Temu has become the place to find a little bit of everything, like this vacuum sealer. I am not one to really go shopping in stores, so when I saw this vacuum sealer, I wanted to give it a try because it was needed and the price was right. But one of the most surprising hidden gems was this portable washing machine I found. Yes, a portable washing machine. So let's take a look at this small yet effective contraption. I was happy to see there wasn't many pieces or attachments because 1, I don't have the space for a lot of things, and 2, I've entered my soft girl era and I only want to deal with things that come with ease. I know that might sound crazy to y'all, but I am so tired of doing things that requires 50 steps and also requires assembling, but I digress. Let me show you all how easy it is to use this baby. But I will note, I made the mistake of using it on my counter, but next time I'll either use it outside or in my shower because, well, you'll see. So after filling it with water, I plugged it in, and yes, I have an outlet right next to my sink. Not the smartest design move, but I digress. I decided to wash my PJs, a pair of shorts and a shirt for this demonstration. There's 3 options for this machine, a 5, 10, and 2-minute cycle. I went with the 5-minute cycle and let it do its thing. After the 5 minutes, the machine beeped and shut off, so I went to empty it. It had a drain plug, and I figured that was a good spot for it. Wrong. After cleaning up mess after mess, I refilled the machine with water for a little 5-minute rinse cycle, and that baby was moving and splashing. So yeah, next time, outside or shower. After draining it again, I took the PJs out and put them in a portable dryer off camera, and they looked, smelt, and had the clean feel to them, so it was a win in my book. I want to note that Temu offers free shipping and free returns up to 90 days, and if you're someone who prefers to do your shopping on your phone, Temu has an app and new users are getting first purchase discounts like a $100 coupon bundle and exclusive prices. I've even seen 50% off your first Temu order, so check that out if shopping on your phone is your jam. Now, if you're interested in checking out any of these items, I will have the information linked in the video description below. And also, Temu provided me with some items to give away, so make sure you stay to the end of the video for that information. What you doing, Judah, baby? No. Alrighty, my friends, it's time to make some dinner. After my long day, I decided to have a little glass of wine and listen to music while I was cooking. So here's a look at all of the ingredients, and as I've stated in previous videos, I don't measure things. I just add stuff and season as I go and hope for the best. So let's get into it.
Future fearlessly, charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel more than good, kinda great, but even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave, 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 dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night.
Wait a minute, Jada. Now for the giveaway. All of the information will be listed on a post under my community tab on my channel's page. I know some people said they don't know where it is, so here you go. And I have a few items, including this shirt, to give away, so head over there for all of the details. And don't forget to check out the video description below for the links and additional information about Temu. I'll see you guys next time.